Claims has about 14 to 15 active suppliers in total, and they're all in here. So basically the idea is to let our colleagues in from Home Claims, from other departments, be able to ask questions from them, maybe solve their queries regarding any claims that is due, or anything new that these suppliers are coming up with, because technologies are always evolving.
With the drones, what they're able to do is they're actually able to go above the property and look for any potential water leakage or damage without having to have someone on site. We got to fly that ourselves, see if we could land it. Unfortunately, I didn't do that good of a job, so I don't think it's a career for me, but yeah, it's just nice to actually be able to have a hands-on experience. Really exciting.
It's good to put faces to the names. These are people that I've spoken with on the phone a lot, working in Home Claims. It's good to have that sort of person-to-person interaction and sometimes get a little bit of an idea of what it is they do. I was speaking with the guy from Martindale's about a claim that I was dealing with that he was also dealing with. So we had a good chat about that.
You can see from start to end that journey of a customer and how we deal with things at Hastings Direct.
I've actually really enjoyed it. I've learned quite a lot about a few of our suppliers, a few things that I didn't really know about. A few of them actually really impressed me with some of the things that they do and how scientific it is. Open my eyes a little bit, give me more to talk about with the customers as well.
Events like this, it's really good just for our own knowledge, but it's good to kind of share feedback and then gain experience from them. So if we have to deal with certain queries and stuff, now we're kind of equipped with more information.